Dear students, the problem is optimal binary search tree. In this video, I am talk about what is binary search tree and what is meant by optimal binary search tree. First, an optimal binary search tree, sometimes called as a weighted balanced tree. This is a weighted balanced search tree. There are two types. One is static and one is dynamic. Static means the tree cannot be modified after it has been constructed. In dynamic, the tree can be modified at any time by using rotations. Next we see what is binary search tree. In BST, the root node is less than the left subtree and greater than the right subtree. So here the root node is 8, left child is 3 and right child is 10. Next here the left part is, the root is 3 here, left child is 1 and the right child is 6. So it is greater than compared to 3 and it is less than compared to root node. Next, we are using the formula in optimal binary search tree. Cost of I comma j equal to minimum of cost of I comma k minus 1 plus cost of k comma j plus weight of the I comma j. This is the formula we are calculating this problem. Let us see the example here. They are giving keys and frequencies. The keys are 10, 20, 30, 40 and frequencies are 4, 2, 6, 3. So we are taking one box here and we put the values in this box. So the rows are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the columns are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here only 4 keys are there, but I am taking 0 to 4. There are 5 keys. Why? Because we are applying this formula. We are taking this 0 to 4 and 0 to 4. So I equal to, here I means rows and j means columns. First we find the 0 value, diagonals values. First we find the diagonals value. So j minus I equal to 0. First 0 minus 0, what we get? 0 we get. Next subtract 1 minus 1, 0 we get. Next subtract 2 minus 2, 0 we get. Subtract 3 minus 3, 0. And subtract 4 minus 4, 0. All the diagonals are zeros. So cost of 0 comma 0, cost of 1 comma 1, cost of 2 comma 2, cost of 3 comma 3, cost of 4 comma 4. All the values are 0. So I put the values here. 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 4 minus 4, 0. Next find these all the diagonals. Next 0, 1, next 1, 2, next 2, 3, next 3, 4. Next again find some other values. So next we find j minus I equal to 1. So 1 minus 0 we get 1. So 0 comma 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Find all these values. Cost of 0 comma 1, cost of 1 comma 2, cost of 2 comma 3, next cost of 3 comma 4. First, how do we calculate this value means cost of 0 comma 1. Here we ignore 0 value and take 1 value. But here 1 value is, take keys is frequent, key value is 10 and the 1 value is 4. So 10, 4. Next ignore 1 value, take 2. 2 value is 20. Next the frequency is 2. Next ignore 2 value, take only 3 value. 3 value is 36. Next ignore 3, take only 4 value, 43. So we get the values are 4, 2, 6, 3. So we put the values in this box. The values are 4, 2, 6 and 3. Next we find these diagonals. The diagonals are, next find out j minus I equal to 2. J minus I equal to 2. 2 minus 2 we get 2, 0, 2. Next 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 3. Next 4 minus 2, 2, 2, 4. First we calculate cost of 0, 2 value. So ignore 0. We calculate 2 value. But after the 2 value, we have to take the previous value is 1. So 1, 2 value. So what is the 1 value? 10 and 4. The next 2 value is 22. The one value is 10, 4 and the second value is 22. So we are applying here BST, binary search tree. So 10, the right child is greater, so 20. So the 10 value is 4. 4 into the level is 1. 4 into 1. Here also the second child frequency is 2. 2 into the level is 2. So 4 plus 2 2s are 4. So 4 plus 4 how much? 8. Next 20, take 20 and left child is 10. 2 into 1 plus 4 into 10 we get 10 value. Which is the smallest? 8 is the smallest. So similarly next we calculate the 1, 3. Same procedure. Here the least value is 10. Next applying the same procedure, calculate 2, 4. Here the smallest value is 12. So we put the values in this box. So the values are, first value how much? 8. So we put the value is 8 at which key? First key. So 8 power 1. Next the smallest value is 10. So 10 power at which key? 10 power 3 key. Next the smallest value is 12. So 12 power 3. Next find these diagonals. So next j minus I equal to 3. Find 0, 3 and 1, 4. First find the 0, 3. Cost of 0, 3. Ignore 0 value and take 3. But the previous values are 1, 2 and 3. So the first key value, the keys is 10, frequency is 4. Next 20, frequency is 2. Next 30, the frequency is 6. We are applying the formula here. We are not taking the BST, we are applying this formula. Why? Because the keys are greater, increasing order. So we are applying the formula. So minimum cost of, first we have to take 0 to 0 plus cost of 1 to 3 means 1, 3 plus weight of the graph. First we calculate the weight. Weight equal to adding these frequencies 4 plus 2 plus 6. We get the value is 12. So adding here. So 0, 0 value is 0. Next 1, 3 value is 10. Next adding this weight plus 12 equal to 22. Comma, same cost of next second key value is 0, 1 plus 2, 3 plus weight of the graph. Next calculate 0, 2 plus cost of 3, 3 plus adding the weight. So we get the values 20, 22, 22. The minimum least value is 22. So 0, 3 value is 22. Next calculate the 1, 4. We get the value, minimum value is 16. So next find out the, so we put the values in this box. So the values are 20 power 3. Next 16 power 3. Next find out the last value is this value. So So the last value is cost of 1, 4. Next, j minus I equal to 4. 4 minus 0 equal to 0, 4. Find out the cost of 0, 4. Ignore this value. Take the previous values of 4. For 4, the previous values are 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding the weights here. So, adding the frequencies. So, 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 equal to 15. So, applying this formula, minimum cost of 0, 0 plus cost of 1 to 4. Next, cost of 0, 1 plus cost of 2, 4. Next, cost of 0, 2 plus cost of 3, 4. Next, cost of 0, 3 plus cost of 4, 4. Which is the minimum value here? 26 is the minimum value. We put the value in this box. So, 26 power key. This is the formula to find out the optimal binary search tree. Thank you.